Okay, let's try one more time. Someone from YouTube wanted me to sing this song with music, so let's do this with music if customer permits. This is fifth time. Worldly ones like you look down on the common folks like me, making bets to a degree of who we are. Through your rose-colored windows, you see yourself above us, standing in a mud, gazing at the stars. But the rich and poor have in common cold, heartburn, and the heartache. Put up pants on just the same. Your word don't make you better, babe, 'cause I can tread water, babe, as long as you think you make it rain. While you got your raisin girl and your diamond-studded world, I got pulled up on the hunger side of town. I got my date on bacon rind, ain't no hide or stuff is mine. Might be a fun while we go climb. So get your way, do your thing, and I run around the ring, ride my white horse, wear my armor too. But I don't need blister, babe. I'll be your court just a babe. Don't think you won't pay fiddler too. Put your hands in mine. It was a shocking time to find what a heart, current strong, deep and wet. You had me struggling for the time, dragging on your line. Never fear, this fish will never swim. While you're playing with my mind, I'll be playing with your money, honey, as long as your conscience and the dream. I'll fan the flame and make it hotter, 'cause I think I can walk in water, as long as you think you can make it rain. I hang around a while, study your style, come out a whole lot wise, the man you need. 'Cause last time anyone as you, if up here, look around, I'll find a star up in the east. Hey, I don't see no hello, just a little girl with a lot of gold. One more trinket for the golden sea. Well, you got a hanging kid, don't let them say you never did. You best be my guest, make it rain. Baby, make it rain. Yeah, finally I get to sing this song with no customer coming in. Thank goodness. That's it. I'm done.